Hi guys, in front of me is Doogee T10 and let me show you how to apply dark theme on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select display right here, and here you will notice dark theme. So just click here to manage, and you can activate it right now by using this switcher. So once you tap, you will have the dark theme applied. But you can also schedule your dark theme, so you can either use sunset to sunrise options, so it will be activated on sunset and then switched off at sunrise. But you can also choose the custom hours, so here you can pick the start hour, so let me pick 11, and then it can end at 7 AM next day. So from now on, between those hours, it will be active like every day. So that's it, this is it, so you can activate and manage dark theme. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.